Hello everyone, it's Ricardo Nadal from the Nadal team at your Home Sold Guarantee Realty. We're delighted to invite you to an open house event where you can see this property in person. We're talking about 2482 Weycroft Lane in Dacula, Georgia. Our open house will take place on Friday, October 6th from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. You want to be prompt because we expect to be crowded. This will be an excellent opportunity to explore this incredible home and ask any questions you might have. Give us a call if you have a house to sell and you want to move up to this house. Okay, listen to this. This house qualifies for our trade-up program. So if you have a house to sell and you want to move up to this particular property, you can give us a call at 678-381-8045. Ask about our trade program where we can actually buy your house so you can buy this one. Again, 2482 Weycroft Lane, Dacula, Georgia. I'm going to give you a quick overview on this wonderful home. You got 5 bedrooms between the 2 main floors, upstairs and the main floor. So you got 4 bedrooms upstairs with 2 full baths. Then you have a full bedroom and a full bath in the main floor. And then you have an extra full bedroom and a full bath in the basement. So between the basement and the main floors, you have about 3,600 square feet. Basement completely finished. You have a fencing backyard. Great area for cooking and entertaining next to the basement with a bar where you can actually entertain your friends and family. Located in an awesome area in Gwinnett County, private and family friendly subdivision. And this is a kind of home you want to make your own. But if you have a house and you don't want to get stuck with 2 homes, we can actually buy your house so you can buy this one. Give us a call, 678-381-8045. Looking forward to seeing you on 2482 Weycroft Lane, Dacula, Georgia, from 6 to 7 p.m. on Friday, October 6th.